The Constitution of the Free and Hanseatic City of Hamburg is the basic governing document of the German city-state of Hamburg. It was approved on 6 June 1952. It is the fourth constitution that the state has had, consists of 76 articles and has been amended 13 times. History. Erich and Martin Werg considered a document called the First Resus of 1410 as the first constitution of Hamburg, although it has had no democratically founded proceedings to establish it. The first constitution was established on 28 September 1860. It introduced a form of a representative democracy but with a limited the right to vote, e.g., only male could vote. On 13 October 1879 a new constitution was created. After the First World War in 1919 in the parliamentary Weimar Republic, the Hamburg Parliament ratified a temporary constitution and a constitution was formally approved in 1921. The Constitution of 1952 was ratified by the Hamburg Parliament. Content. The Constitution consists of 76 articles and a preamble. Untitled described the important connection between the port and the trade city to enter it into the preamble of the Constitution as follows. The preamble of the Constitution of Hamburg points out the close relationship between port and city with regard to the development. As an international port, the Free and Hanseatic City of Hamburg has a special task allocated by its history and location, to perform for the German people. In the spirit of peace it wants to be an intermediary between all continents and peoples of the world. It is divided into the following sections. Legal foundations. In contrast to the other two city-states Berlin and Bremen, the Constitution does not separate between state and local communal affairs. Sections for the Hamburg Parliament and Senate. Law and administration, jurisdiction, budget and finance, and final and transitional provisions. Because the Constitution was approved in 1959, after the Basic Law for the Federal Republic of Germany, which is the document that establishes and describes the duties, powers, structure and function of the government in Germany and legal also for the German states, apart for the human or basic rights, is missing. Constitutional institutions. The legislature is the Hamburg Parliament. For the judiciary there is the Hamburg Constitutional Court and the executive is represented by the Senate, with its head the first mayor of Hamburg, equivalent to a prime minister or minister-president. Amendments. The Constitution has been amended 13 times since 1952.